Student, today we are going to discuss some theorems on countable set. Okay, so first theorem is theorem. First theorem: if a1, a2 up to so on, an or this is infinite number, okay, given set is a1, a2 up to so on are countable, then their union generals from 1 to infinity, an is countable. Here given that a1, a2 up to so on, their infinite sets are given which are all countable. Then here to show union of countable set is countable. Okay, here means is union of countable set is countable. Union of countable set is countable. How to show union of countable set is countable union of countable set is countable. Okay, here a1, a2 up to so on, these are infinite set here given which are all countable. Okay, these sets are countable. Then to show that here their union, these sets their union is also countable, means union of countable set or here countable union of countable set is countable. Okay, so proof of this theorem, how to proving this theorem is proof. Let suppose a1, a2 up to so on, let a1, a2 up to so on are countable set. Here given that are countable sets, we have set of the form of, suppose a1 set is of the form of a1 contains element is of the form of a1 1, means a1 here a1 is a first element of a1, a1 2, a1 3, this is up to or suppose that a2 1. Okay, change the position here, a3 1, a4 1 and up to so on, which contains some numbers or countable number, because a1, a2 up to so on, these are countable numbers. Then a2 is equal to suppose that here a1 2, you number this number element of this elements, this is first element in a2, this is second element in a2, this is third element in given set a2, this is fourth element in a2 and up to so on, this is a2 and up to so on. And here something here aj set is of the form of, this is first element of aj set, then this is second element of aj set and up to so on, this in this way, this is third element of aj, a3j and so on. Okay, and lastly here at some position is an set, and which is there is this is first element a1 in a1n, means this means that a1n means this is first element of an. Okay, this is second element in an set, this is third element in an set, this is fourth element in an set and so on. This is a given that some sets here suppose that their elements means that here ajk is the jth element of ak, jth element of ak. This a1j, a2j up to so on, a1n, a2n, a3n. This is a means here ajk is a jth element of ak, means a2n. Suppose this a2n is a second element of given set an. Okay, a3n means third element of an. Similarly, in this way, a11, a1, a21, a31, a41. This is the elements of 1, 2, 3 position in a set of a1. Okay, so define these sets. Define height of elements. Define the height of the element. Define height of the element. ajk is equal to j plus k. Define the height of the element, means how to rearranging this element to counting here elements. Okay, so define the height of the element ajk is equal to, means jth element of ak is of the form of j plus k. Okay, there is an only one element. There is an only one element a11 of height 2. Okay, height 2 means this is j plus k. Here in all these sets only one element of height 1, a11. Okay, a11 height is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. A element, there is an only one element a11 of height 2. Okay, this is only one element which has a height is 2. Height means only here defining. Suppose that ajk is element height is j plus k. Here any other elements there is a no height of 2, so only one element here exists, their height is 2, a11. Okay, a11 is equal to, their height is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Similarly, height 2 there is an only number of elements of height 2 is are 2, a21 and a12. Okay, these two elements is their height is 3. Okay, their height is 3. Okay, there are two elements. Namely a12 and a21. Okay, a12 and a21 of height 3. Okay, here only exist two elements of their height is 3. Okay, similarly in this way, height 4 there is an only 3 elements. Okay, 3 elements means a31 their height is 4, because 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Similarly a22 their height is 4, and here a3 set. Okay, a3 set is first element of a3 set is a13. Okay, their height is also 4. Similarly there are three elements, namely a31, then a22, then a13, means first element of a3. This is third element of a1. This is second element of a2. Okay, there are only three elements, namely a31, a22, a13 of height and 4, and continuing this way and so on. Okay, in this way, thus similarly in this way, thus for any integer, m greater equal to, thus for any integer m greater equal to, there are only m minus 1. Okay, this is very important. There is only m minus 1 elements of height m. Okay, here height 2, there is only one element, means 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Height 3 elements only 2. Okay, means here there are only m minus 1 elements of height m. Okay, if elements height is 1, then m minus 1 elements are here exist, their height is m. Okay, so using this, so arranging the elements, so arrange the element, so arrange the element of all this countable set, all this union, arrange the element of union of n runs from 1 to infinity an. Okay, according to their height, arrange this element according to their height, as suppose according to their height, how to arranging their element, so first element is suppose a11. Okay, then second element is a21, then third element is a31, then fourth element is a41, then fifth element is ak. In this way, then second order, okay, second order is a21. Okay, so sorry, a12, then next element is a22, then next element is a32, then next element is a42, then next element is a52, then next element is a13, in a3, second element is a23, a33, a43, a53, and this is so on, this is also so on, and continuing this way. Okay, so arranging this element of the above, arranging this element is height 1 is only one element. Okay, then height 2 is only one element. Then height 3 here only two elements. Okay, a21 and a12. Okay, then next element height 3 is this is one. Okay, means 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then next element is height 5 element is this a41, then a32, then a23, then here also a14, this is also elements, and continuing in this way, we get continuing this one element, then second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10, and continuing up to say this scheme or this process, counting the all elements of union of this all set. Here combining all elements of a1 a2 up to an. So counting these elements in this way, height 2 only one element, height 3 only two elements, height 4 3 elements, and in this way counting these all elements. Okay, in this way 1 2 3 4. Okay, in this way counting all elements of union can be counted. Okay, so therefore by above scheme or process, by above scheme of counting, by above scheme of counting all the elements all the elements of union of an runs from 1 to infinity. All elements of countable set an union of can be counted and hence all elements of an are counted. Therefore union of countable set runs from 1 to infinity. Union of countable set is countable. Okay, is countable. That is countable union of countable set is countable. Countable union of countable set is countable. This is very simple process. Only to rearrange all elements. Only to rearrange all elements of A1, A2, AJ in the arrange this all elements of A1, A2 up to infinity. There are infinite sets, so arrange their element in the their height wise. I arrange this element. So here arranging first element is suppose A11, then second element is A21, or here this element is also how to arranging this element, or for this, or here one element is A11, this is one element. Okay, then second element is suppose that A21, A31, here A41 and so on. Then A21, A12, A22, A32 and so on. Then here A13, then A23, then A33, then here also A42, A34. This is one element. Then this is two elements. Then this is for counting elements of union of countable set. Okay, this is three elements. Then here also A14, this is elements height of 5. Okay, in this way counting all elements. This is one element, this is two elements, this is three elements, this is four elements, and continuing this way we are counting all elements of union of an. Okay, means here in this way here count all elements, or in this process A11 is 1, then height 3 is 2 elements, then in this way and so on, count all in this scheme, counting all the elements of union of an. Okay, so any process here used. Okay, no any effect on this process. Okay, so A11 is one first element of height 2, this is two elements of height 3, this is three elements of height 4, this is four elements of height 4, and continue and this way and so on. Okay, in this way. So by above scheme counting all the elements of union of an set, therefore countable union of countable set is countable. So this is a proof of our theorem. Then next theorem is set of all rational number is countable. Set of all rational number is countable means